Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use No Xplode pre-workout, updated. Check the product label first and confirm the recommended serving size and stimulant levels. Mix 1 full scoop with 8 to 10 Oz of cold water, or start with a half scoop to assess tolerance. Drink it 20 to 30 minutes before your workout for peak effects, and avoid taking additional caffeine within hours of dosing to prevent overstimulation. Begin by using a clean shaker bottle and 8 to 10 Oz of cold water for smooth blending and no clumps. Stir or shake briskly until dissolved, then sip about 20 to 30 minutes before your workout to align effects with training start. If you eat a large meal first, give yourself a bit more time before exercising, and always note how timing affects your energy and focus. Stick to the recommended dose on the label and never double up to chase stronger effects, because that raises risk without improving results. Consider cycling the product by taking breaks after several weeks to reduce tolerance and keep sensitivity to stimulants. Pair consistent dosing with good hydration, adequate calories, and sleep to maximize workouts and recovery without relying solely on pre-workout supplements for performance gains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.